In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Piplane View in Insightly. To begin, make sure you are logged into Insightly and you are looking at the main workspace. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see the sidebar navigation. Locate and click Opportunities. This takes you to the area where Insightly lists all of your deals and sales opportunities, which is the starting point for working in a pipeline layout. Once you are on the Opportunities page, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Look for the pipeline icon. It looks like 3 vertical bars, and it switches the display into a pipeline-style board. Click that icon to change from a list view into the visual pipeline view, where each stage appears as its own column. Next, you will choose the pipeline you want to work with. Near the top of the pipeline view, find the pipeline dropdown. Click the dropdown, then select the pipeline that matches the process you want to manage. This is helpful if your organization uses multiple pipelines, such as one for new business and another for renewals, since each pipeline can have different stages and a different flow. Now you can start working with your opportunities directly on the board. Each opportunity appears as a card within a stage column. To update an opportunity's stage, click and hold the opportunity card, then drag it to the column that represents the new stage. When you drop the card into the new column, the stage is updated to reflect that change. Take your time when moving cards, and make sure you drop them fully inside the correct column so the update is applied. Finally, you can control what information shows on each card. Look for the gear icon in the pipeline view, and click it. This opens customization options that let you choose which fields appear on the opportunity cards, so you can see the details that matter most at a glance. That covers everything you need to know.